Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video where today I'm going to be telling you exactly what you need to do to get a British accent. And it's so easy. It's so simple. There are literally two things you need to do. That is it. And I'm just so surprised that no one else on YouTube has told you this before. It's just so simple, man. I've worked it out the other day and I cannot wait to tell you. They don't want you to know, but now I'm spilling the beans. By the end of this video, you can thank me later. Honestly, it's all good. Right, so the first thing you need to do is just to try your absolute hardest to be born in Britain. Now, this is something that a lot of people don't take into consideration, but of course the easiest way to get an accent is to be born in that country. So maybe just have a word with your parents about that. You know, in the future, if you are born again, then try your hardest to make sure that happens in Britain. Right, step number 2, from a young age, I'm talking like 1 to 2 years old, just try to consume as much British content with British accents as you can. This one is quite an easy step as well, because basically your brain at that age is still developing, you're learning to speak, and the way in which that works is the accents you hear, the accents you're brought up on, you're more likely to speak in that way in the future. So if you can, as mentioned, between the ages of 1 and 2, just try to consume as much of that content as possible. If you see some content which isn't really, if it's like American English or another accent, just change the channel, man. That's it. That's all you need to do. Right, guys, and if you do these 2 steps, I'm confident by the time you're like 6, 7, 8, 10, you will be able to have a beautiful British accent that will stick with you for life. All right, and it's that simple, guys. As mentioned before, it's just these 2 steps you need to do, so have fun implementing them. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Of course, like and subscribe because this is extremely valuable information and I've just given it to you for absolutely free. So yeah, thank you again for watching and happy April the 1st.